Now, Samsung has revealed a radical new model picked up by the Samsung Mobile. Samsung has confirmed a sooner than expected release date for the Galaxy S10 5G, launching April 5th in South Korea and a few weeks later in the US. This is barely a month after the standard editions. Furthermore, the Galaxy S10 5G delivers key upgrades in almost every area and for a significantly lower price than expected. Aside from its headline-grabbing 5G connectivity, the Galaxy S10 5G goes big, quite literally, on the rest of its spec. The display is a massive 6.7 inches compared to 6.4 inches on the Galaxy S10 Plus T, has next-generation storage and RAM delivering twice the performance with less battery consumption, and combines this with a massive 4500 mAh battery compared to the Galaxy S10 Plus 4100 mAh, Galaxy S10 3500 mAh. Moreover, the Galaxy S10 5G takes better photos. It adds a fourth rear camera, a time-of-flight module, which is a range-imaging camera system that employs time-of-flight techniques, which produces better low-light shots, faster autofocus, and much improved depth perception. In fact, time-of-flight will be the headline addition to Apple's iPhone 11. The Galaxy S10 5G will sell for approximately $1,199 for the same cost as the 12GB, 1TB Galaxy S10 Plus. Samsung will also throw in free Galaxy Buds worth $159 and a 50% discount on a one-time screen replacement valid for 1 year. Against this, the Galaxy S10 5G will have just 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, but as mentioned, both are next generation and a microSD card slot means you can add up to 512GB of additional storage at any time. The Galaxy Note 10, which looks like Samsung's best smartphone of 2019 on the basis of leaks that have been out recently. When we do a full breakdown of the main Galaxy Note 10 features, it looks like one head-turning handset. In terms of display states, the Galaxy Note 10 will come with a 6.6 to 6.66 inch panel and screen-to-body ratio in excess of 89%. The native resolution will be 1440 by 3040 pixels, matching the 6.4-inch Galaxy S10 Plus. The reports also say that the Galaxy Note 10 will deliver integrated 5G at launch rather than being restricted to a super premium niche model as with the Galaxy S10. At this stage, however, it is thought this will be achieved with a dedicated 5G modem rather than an integrated chip. Samsung is expected to debut closer to 2020. As for the Galaxy Note 10 chipset, this will copy the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 or Exynos 9820 geo-specific combo seen on the Galaxy S10. But compared to the S10, the Galaxy Note 10 will feature next-generation storage and next-generation RAM. Further upgrades can be found in the main cameras. Source endorses claims the Galaxy Note 10 will set up to 4 rear cameras compared to 3 on the Galaxy S10 with 2x12MP primary and zoom lenses supplemented by a 16MP wide-angle and exciting time-of-flight 3D module. The front will see a pair of selfie cameras matching the Galaxy S10 Plus array. The report also claims that the Note 10 will have the earliest release of any Note device so far, launching on August 8th. This would be the Note 9 by one day with the phone then hitting shop shelves on August 23rd. Slight increases will be made to the price, though that is relatively good news given the Galaxy S10 and Galaxy S10 Plus were a lot more expensive than the S9 and S9 Plus.